1, 2, and 3. Yes, I won 3 pairs of the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue in store. 2 at Foot Locker, 1 at Foot Action. In this video, we're gonna go pick up the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We do have a giveaway going on for a pair of YEEZY Boost 350 V2 LUNDMARKs. These are brand new, size 11. I'm announcing the winner tomorrow, September 1st. This giveaway ends. I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. Once again, tomorrow, September 1st. Make sure you guys enter this giveaway. It is your last chance. To enter the giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both. Click the link down below in the description. Go to the video that I did on Crep Protect, and on that video, leave a comment telling me why you want these YEEZYs, and at the end of your comment, leave your Instagram username. Make sure you guys leave a comment on that video because that's how I'll be picking the winner. If you want a bonus entry to win the YEEZYs, all you need to do is make sure that you do enter the giveaway, of course, and then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, then send me a DM on Instagram with screenshots for proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. On feet today, we got the Oreo YEEZY 350 V2. Here she is, boys. Beautiful Charger. I absolutely love this car. So nice. Oh my god, this is my dream car. I love this car. Wow, it's bright out here. Very, very sunny, but we made it to the mall. Actually, the first mall. I have to go to 2 different malls to pick up 3 pairs of these ones today. 2 pairs at my local mall, and then 1 pair at a mall that's about an extra 20 minutes further than the other mall. This mall's like a half hour away from me. It's probably gonna take me another half hour, 40 minutes to get to my mall, and then another 15 minutes back home after that. I'm gonna go pick up these ones. I'm really hyped to see these things in person, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up all 3 pairs first, and then I'll go home and give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the sneaker. About to get run over by a car over here while vlogging. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and show you guys this shoe at home. Instead of just doing it outside, I'll just do it at home. I think it's much better at home, and I can really show you guys the shoe, get more in depth and more of a review. Let's go in the mall. Let's go pick up these Air Jordan 1s. Got the first one. That guy was wearing Travis Scott 1s, one of the employees there. Shout out to him. He's really, really dope. Just had a whole conversation with him. Really chill dude. Wearing Travis Scott 1s, and I really did like that lace swap. It was really, really dope. It was weird seeing 1 red, 1 pink, but it kind of looked dope at the same time. I really did like it. I really do need those Travis Scott 1s, man. Those things keep going up in price. It's such a grail for me. I absolutely need them and love them. Anyway, I did pick up the 1s. Now let's go to my mall and let's pick up more pairs of the Air Jordan 1s. We have made it to the second mall, which is actually the closer mall to me, to my house. Gonna go pick up 2 more pairs of these Air Jordan 1s. I won these at Foot Locker. Did win in Foot Action, the first store, and what's nice about winning with Foot Action was that I actually never won there before. That was my first time ever winning. So now that I did spend the money there, I think I need to spend maybe another $40, or I gotta check. It's either 200, 250, or 300 at Foot Action. Whatever it is, I'll spend it so that now I can win more often on Foot Action. But with Foot Locker, I already won, you know, a bunch of times. So now that I went at Foot Locker again, just keeping it up. Those apps you do, of course, once you win, you do want to continue to spend money to increase your chances of winning. There's a kid there, sorry. It's okay. To increase my chances. Well, to increase your chances of copping. So make sure you do spend the money on those apps to increase your chances. I don't know where I'm going. I need to go to Foot Locker. Let me go find Foot Locker now that I'm in the mall. Oh, there it is. Found it. All right, that was quick. Let's go find Foot Locker. Let's go into Foot Locker and let's go pick up the Air Jordan 1s. Got 2 more pairs here from Foot Locker. That's 3 pairs now I did secure on the apps. I took L's online, which sucked. Nike sneakers app, I did do a live cop video. Make sure you guys go check that out if you haven't seen that. But yeah, I did take an L this morning online. I tried really quick on Foot Locker and Eastbay for like literally 2 minutes, and that was it. So I took an L. I really didn't care that much. I didn't really try online that much because I wanted to go pick up the in-store pairs and bring you guys some content on them ASAP. Successful day, I would say. Since I did cop the Air Jordan 1s today, make sure you guys give me that like. Smash that like button. We are back home now with 1, 2, 3 pairs of the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue. Wow, guys, 3 pairs of these ones. As you guys can see, the top one is the grade school pair. I'll take a look at that pair last, but I do want to take a look at the men's pair of the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue. I did cop a pair size 10.5 and a pair size 11. Keep one and then give the other one to my brother. A 10.5 and 11, 2 pairs. Not really money sizes, however, they're still reselling for some money. I'm gonna drop a video tomorrow talking about resale on these Air Jordan 1s. So if you're into resale, make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Now, I want to go ahead and take a look at these Air Jordan 1s. I still have not seen these things at all. The label does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Sale Obsidian University Blue. This is a size 10.5. Let's take a look at these Air Jordan 1s that I think are definitely going to go up in price. Let's take a look at these things. Wow. Okay, these are absolutely fire, guys. These things are crazy. Absolutely a must-have, in my opinion. Holy crap, this is a beautiful Air Jordan 1. To be honest, pictures do not do these things justice, in my opinion, whatsoever. This sneaker looks a lot better in hand, now seeing them in person, than they do in pictures. In pictures, they're cool. They look really, really good. In hand, they're just so much better. Wow, I'm like mind blown of how nice these are. I really do like these a lot. So they do have an extra set of laces, the UNC blue laces that you do have matching on the black leather. You do have some navy leather wrapping around the toe. On the toe box leather and the midsection leather, you do have a sail leather, and it's very, very soft. That's really soft leather. Very, very, very soft. Even the navy leather is very soft. This quality is very good on this Air Jordan 1. This is a very nice colorway. I do like the different shades of blue on the sneaker. You do have the UNC blue, and then up top and throughout you do have navy blue, which I really do like different shades of blue, and I do like that it's not black. They went with a navy blue. It really does pop, and the UNC blue, man, look at that. It just stands out, it pops, and it looks so nice. I really do like the Nike Air popping as well on the tongue. That just pops so much. I absolutely love these, man. These are so dope. There is resale on this sneaker, and in my opinion, this is only going to be a sneaker that only goes up in price because it is an Air Jordan 1, a clean colorway. Quality is really, really good and soft. The leather is so butter soft back here on this sneaker, man. Such a quality sneaker, and these were pretty limited, a lot more limited than I think people thought they were gonna be. A lot of stores definitely got them. However, they were not high in stock. They did not have a bunch of pairs throughout the stores. There was only maybe 2 or 3 size runs in most stores. The online drops sold out very, very fast as well. Resale is only gonna go up from here, guys. I'm telling you now. This is a dope shoe and definitely a must-have in my opinion. I'm very happy I was able to secure a few pairs for retail. Let's take a look at some other pairs I did get. So here is the size 11 I was able to get as well for retail. Oh, such a beautiful pair. Quality is so nice. The leather is so soft. I absolutely love the tumbled leather. I can't get over how quality is on this sneaker, how good the quality is, and how nice the colorway is, and how it's something different on an Air Jordan 1, man. This is such a beautiful sneaker. I wasn't that hyped, to be honest, for this release until now. Like, seeing them in hand, Oh my, these are just crazy in hand, guys. These are definitely a must. And last but certainly not least, I do want to take a look at the grade school pair, size 6. Not really so much a money size when it comes to grade school, but still going for over retail. There is resale on grade school, which will once again go up as well. So if you did secure a grade school pair, hold on to them if you can, but they're gonna go up in price. It's gonna take time. They're gonna take time, but they will. But this is a very dope shoe. Look at this. This is such a small shoe. Wow, I haven't copped a grade school pair of sneakers in a while. Some grade school shoes really do have resale. A lot of them do. So getting a grade school shoe is not a bad idea. Retail is cheaper. These will retail at $120, and you could still make some really nice profit on these Air Jordan 1s, even in the grade school pair. So, hey, I'm all for it, man. These are really nice. Even the leather, oh my, the leather is so soft, even on the grade school pair. Guys, this quality is crazy nice. I honestly can't get over how good of a sneaker these are, how good these Air Jordan 1s are, how great this colorway is, how great the quality is, guys. I will be doing some more videos on these Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys do stay tuned. Leave a comment down below in the comment section right now and let me know, did you guys cop the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue? I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button. Also, be sure to drop a comment down below in the comment section and let me know if you guys were actually able to cop. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.